Hello, my name is Daniela and today we're going to be talking about how to see people's auras. Now this is very helpful to know which is a good energy to surround yourself with and which energy drains you from life. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below. I will also leave a link to my website if you do want to check out natural beauty cosmetics. Okay, so what exactly is auras? So auras are basically the energy that any being gives out. As human beings, we radiate a very low level of electricity that is otherwise known as the electromagnetic field. Now there is certain layers to energy which you can sense. Each layer corresponds to your physical health, your mental health, and your spiritual health. There is the red energy. This energy is very well grounded and energetic. The orange energy is very thoughtful and alive. The orange energy is also very considerate. The yellow energy is usually linked to intelligence and sunshine. It is very creative and friendly. The color green is usually connected to a good communicator, very social and nurturing. Blue is normally associated with intuition and spirituality. The blue is associated with a free thinker. Indigo is very gentle, very spiritually connected and very free. Indigo can also be very curious. Violet, on the other hand, is usually wise, very independent. There are no specific scientific studies about auras, considering it's more of an energy you feel, but not everything that exists you can see with your eyes. Just like you can feel somebody's energy when they walk in a room, it's the same type of thing. There is no scientific way to prove it, but it does exist. Everything has energy, everything is energy, and we are vibrating on a certain frequency. This is just the way your body sends out messages to the world, and it is all linked to awareness as well. I think a good aura is usually associated with someone that radiates good energy and you can just feel their presence usually has a positive impact on you. Your aura is usually a reflection of your well-being and your mental state. Okay, so how do we actually get to see other people's energy? Well, the first thing we must do is meditate and be aware of ourselves, because when you're in a room with people, sometimes we can feel stuck in our own head and we're thinking about ourselves and we're very self-conscious that we don't even recognize other people or what they're thinking or what they're going through. So definitely get to a state where you feel totally comfortable in your own skin and you can now allow your focus to be on other people. Some people's energy you can feel from across the room, and some people's energy is more muted, but they all have energy. Everyone has an aura. Usually when people have a very apparent energy, it is appeared to be more vibrant, and someone who is vibrating on a very low frequency like anger, lust, jealousy, envy, same thing, but you will be able to see their energy isn't as bright. You really have to be aware about yourself and other people. You have to focus on what other people are thinking, what they say, their body language, their movements, and their actions. This will all help you in determining their aura. For example, if somebody is moving very fast and anxiously and they're just talking really fast, this could be another way of them communicating that they might not feel comfortable or they are anxious. Now, someone who is more relaxed, calm, can breathe, has good eye contact, usually they communicate that they're comfortable with themselves and they are vibrating on a higher frequency level. The highest frequency we can feel is love. So you'll be able to see someone who moves through the world with just this carelessness and absolute bliss about anything and everything, just feels so lighthearted and amazing to be around. The people who make you feel depressed and really make you question yourself and make you uncomfortable and make you anxious and make you think the thoughts that you don't want to think, those are the people you have to actually watch out for. Have you ever been in a room and you're instantly drawn to someone? You don't know them, but your energies are connected somehow. You are drawn to their energy and they're drawn to you, and that's because you're vibrating on the same frequency. So you have to learn the ability to focus and meditate. This is the most important step into seeing people's auras. One thing I can say is you also need to focus on your own alone time, because once you understand who you are in your alone time and how you act and the things that you do, it'll be so much easier for you to see the different things that other people do. Much easier for you to see how other people live their lives and what they do. Now you will be able to spot their differences in how they are living their lives, and you'll be able to determine if that is something that you should do or not. Next thing you can do is focus on positive affirmations, because when you're positive, you'll be able to see who is the negative one in the group and who is actually on the same frequency as you. The next thing you can do is use visualization. Visualize what it would feel like if all your energy were to be drained out of your body, and then surround yourself with someone and focus and be aware of all the energy that they are putting out, everything they are saying, everything that they are talking about, everything that they do. Focus on that. That will help you a lot to tell if their energy is draining you or not. So just visualize yourself with no energy or a neutral energy, and be around someone and see from there how they make you feel after the interaction. Do you feel happier? Do you feel better? Do you feel like you've got something out of the conversation? Or do you just feel sad, like they just took something from you? Your energy is very low, you feel very depressed, they complained a lot. People also use sage and things to clear the air and energy to kind of get rid of the bad energy around. So that's also one thing you can do, because from that point on you'll be able to tell what is draining your energy and what is uplifting you. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe down below. I will also leave a link to my cosmetic line, all natural for curly hair and natural beauty. So if you are interested in that, don't forget to click the link. Bye.